Hello students, how are you? So yesterday we started with exercise 2.3 and we did up to question number 1, 2 and 3. So today we're going to do the question number 6 onwards because 4 and 5 I told you to do by your own as a homework. But I will show you the solution of the 4 and 5. So let's start our video. So now question number 4, if you see, it is that 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z, and question number 5 is 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus 6. And I told you that you have to do by your own. So if you see the solution of the 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. So what we are doing here, we are separating the variables, z's on one side and constant on the other sides. After that you will see that 2z equals to 3 and z equals to 3 by 2. So this, when you put in substitute 3 by 2, you will get the answer 9 on the left hand side. Similarly when you put the 3 by 2, you will get the answers 9 on the right hand side. So the answer obtained is correct. So 4 and 5 I told you to do by your own. Fifth one is, if you also see, when you separate the variables, on this side you will get 3x, on this side you will get 15, on solving this you will get 5, on substituting in the LHS you get 2 into 5 minus 1, that is your 10 minus 1, you will get 9, and similarly on this side when you substitute you will get 14 minus x, that is 14 minus 5, and you will get the answer 9. So our LHS equals to RHS. But question number 6, which we have to discuss in detail, because if you see the question, it is 8x plus 4 and this 3 and then the bracket x minus 1 plus 7. It is different from the other questions what we did up to question number 5. That means first this 3 has to be multiplied. Okay, this 3 is outside the bracket. That means this 3 has to be multiplied by the terms which are inside the bracket first, and then we can solve. So this 8x plus 4 will come as it is, and this side if you see that this 3 will be multiplied by x, so 3x, and this 3 will be multiplied by minus 1, you will get minus 3 and plus 7. So now the two constant terms are already on this side. First we solve this. Okay, so this will come as it is, 8x plus 4, and this will be your 3x plus 1 minus 3 and plus 4 will be minus 3 and plus 7 will be your plus 4. Okay, sometimes in a hurry we'll do 10, but make sure that it is minus 3 and this is plus 7, so 4. Now this 3x will go to this side, so 8x minus 3x, and this plus 4 will come to this side, so 4 minus 4. So this side will get 5x and this side will be 0. So 5x equals to 0, so x equals to 0 by 4. And we know that 0 by 4 is possible and answer will be 0. 4 by 0 is not defined, but it is 0 by 4. So it will be 0. So x is coming 0. Answer can come 0 also. We'll substitute in this. So that means 8x plus 4. That means 8 into 0 plus 4. That means 0 plus 4, 4. So LHS is coming 4. So right hand side 3x minus 1, and this is in bracket plus 7. So we'll write down 3 in bracket 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. That means 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. And this will be your 7. So this will become 4. Hence LHS equals to RHS. Hence the result obtained is correct. Clear? Now we'll move on to question number 7. Question number 7 is x equals to 4 by 5 x plus 1. Clear? 4 by 5 x plus 1. Now this 5 can be multiplied to that side. Okay, this 5 can be multiplied to that side. Now when we can multiply, suppose this is given. Okay, suppose this is a question. Now in this question you cannot take 5 to that side. You can take this 5 as a cross multiplication to other side only when this 5 is under the each and every term on the right hand side. So here if you see, this 5 is under each and every term because it is outside. Okay, if it is written 4x plus 5 plus 10, then this cannot go to that side because this is only under 4, but it is outside. So that's why this 5 can go to that side. So when we multiply this 5 to that side, it will come 5x, and this side it will be 4 only. That means 4, and this is x plus 10. So multiplying this, we will get 4x, and this is 40. Now this 4x will go to that side. That means 5x minus 4x, and we will get 40. So x equals to 40. Now on putting on the LHS and RHS, what you will get, if you see on putting the LHS is x only, that means 40 only. In the RHS it is 4 by 5 x plus 10. So x is what? Your 40. Now x is your 40, that means 40 plus 10, 50. Now 4 by 5 into 50, on cancelling this 5 with 5, you will get 10, that means 40. So LHS equals to RHS, hence the result obtained is correct. Clear? Hope you understood this. Next question is 2x by 3 plus 1, 7x by 15 plus 3. It's very simple. This whole will go to that side and 1 will come to this side as variables on one side and constants on the other side. So this whole will go. Now in this case, as I have told you in the previous question, this 15 cannot go in the multiplication. This 15 can go only in the multiplication once it is under the both the terms. It is only under 7x. So this whole will go. So this whole will go to that side and 1 will come here with the minus sign. Now on solving this, 3 and 15 LCM will be 15. Okay, 3 and 15 LCM will be 15. Now for your convenience, I am showing the multiplication also. So 3 divided by 15 will be 5. That's why 5 will be multiplied by on the top with 2x. So 2x into 5. Now 15 divided 15 is your 1 and 1 multiplied with the top minus 7x. That is only minus x. So that's why I am not showing multiplication of 1 here because it is the number same. And here 3 minus 1 will be 2. Now this 2 into 5 will make 2x into 5 will make 10x. So 10x minus 7x 15 equals to 2. Now this 10x minus 7x is what? 3x. So 3x equals to 15 equals to 2. This 15 will go to that side. It will become 2 into 15 and you will get 3x equals to 30. Clear? So x equals to 30 by 3 and x value is coming 10. Now we'll substitute on both left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is what? 2x plus 3 plus 1. So on substituting this x, you will get 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. So 2 into 10 is what? 20 by 3 plus 1. LCM of this will be what? LCM of this will be your, if you take the LCM of 3 and 1, it is 3 and then 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 multiplied by 20, 20. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 multiplied on top, that is 3. 1 into 3. Okay, that's why 3. It is coming 23 by 3. On this side, 7x plus 7x by 15 plus 3. That means 7 into 10 by 15. X value is 10 because in the answer it is coming 10. So 7 into 10, 15 plus 3, 70 by 15. It is 3. Now again taking the LCM of this, if you put here 1. So 15, LCM will be 15. This will come exactly same because 15 divided by 15, 1. So 70 into 1, 7. But here it will be 15 divided by 1 is what? 15. That's why 15 will be multiplied on top, 3 into 15. So we'll get 70 plus 45 upon 15 and that is 115 by 15. On reducing this, you will get 23 by 3, which is same like this. Hence LHS equals to RHS, hence the result obtained is correct. Clear? Now the second last question of this exercise, that is the question number 9. So 2y plus 5 by 3. 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. This y will go to that side and this 5 by 3 will come to this side. So 2y will plus y, because of this minus sign it becomes plus. This 5 by 3 will be on that side with a minus sign. So 2y plus y, 3y. This 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. LCMs are same, denominators are same. So 3 on top, 26 minus 5. 3y, this is 21 by 3. 3y equals to 7 because 21 and 3 will cancel, you will get 7. So y equals to 7 by 3. Now putting this value here in LHS. 2y plus 5 by 3. So I will put y 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 2 into 7 by 3 is what? 14 by 3. This is 5 by 3. Denominators are same. So 3 only and top 14 plus 5, 19. On putting in this 26 by 3, y equals to 7 by 3. Now denominators are same. So 26 minus 7 by 3 and it is coming 19 by 3. LHS equals to RHS, hence the result obtained is correct. Okay. Now the last part of this exercise, last question of the exercise. So this is 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Clear? So 5m will go to that side. It will become 3m minus 5m equals to minus 8 by 5. So it will become minus 2m equals to minus 8 by 5. This minus and minus I can cancel. So we'll get 2m equals to 8 by 5. This 2m will come in the denominator 1 by 2. This 2 and 8 will cancel 4. So m equals to 4 by 5. Now you have to check. In each question we have to check because it is given in the question that check. So checking is also carrying a marks. That is 4 by 5. Now left hand side is what? 3m. That means 3 into 4 by 5, you will get 12 by 5. Right hand side is what? 5m equals to minus 8 by 5. So m is what? 4 by 5. So I'm putting 4 by 5. Now I can cancel this 5 and 5. Okay. So you will get 4. But I'm not cancelling. Why? Because ultimately in the again we have to take the LCM. And if you see, this is 8 by 5. So I want to keep this denominator as a 5 so that I don't have to take the LCM. So that's why I'm not cancelling. If you cancel and take a long process, still the answer will come. 5 into 4, 20, 20 by 5. Okay. And this is 8 by 5. 5, 5 same. It will come same as it is. Denominator on top 20 minus 8 upon 5. So that means 12 by 5. Hence LHS equals to RHS and the result obtained is correct. Clear? So here we finished our exercise 2.3. So next exercises are 2.4. Now exercise 2.4 is again your word problem. Like exercise 2.1 was your normal questions. Then 2.2 was word problem. 2.3 again normal and 2.4 word problem. But this word problem 2.4 will be based on the variables on both sides. Like 2.2 was based on the variables on the one side, but this 2.4 exercise is based on the variables on the both sides. Clear? If you think, now if you read the first question, it's very simple. It says that Amina thinks of a number, okay, and subtract that 5 by 2 from it. Means any number, suppose x, and we'll subtract from that, we'll get x minus 5 by 2. And she multiplied the result. Means after subtracting the from the x 5 by 2, whatever the answer comes, you have to multiply by that 8. So what? Then the result obtained, means whatever the answer will get, that is 3 times the original number. If suppose we are taking the original number as x, so that means the result then it will be equals to 3x. Clear? So what is the number? So we'll start here. So it is said that let the number be x, we'll take number as x. They are saying that subtract 5 by 2 from x, we are subtracting x minus 5 by 2. So the result obtained is this. That's why we have to keep this in a bracket, because there are two terms. The result obtained has to be multiplied by 8. Either you write into 8 or in the beginning also you can write 8 into this. Both are the same things. Equals to what? 3 times the same number. Same number is what? I have taken x, so that means that this result obtained when multiplied by 8 equals to 3 times the number thought, whatever the number she thought in the beginning. So now we'll multiply this 8, since it has to be multiplied both the terms, so we'll write 8 into x here and minus 5 by 2 into 8. This side 2 and 8 will cancel, get 4. Now in the next step, 8x minus 5 into 4, 20. Clear? This side it is 3x only. Now this 3x will come to this side, you will get 8x minus 3x, that is 5x equals to 20. So x equals to 20 by 4, x equals to 5. Hence the number obtained is your 5. I have written wrong here, it is 5. Clear? Number obtained is your 5. Clear? Now we'll do the second question. The second question is that a positive number, okay, is 5 times the another number. Means if we take two number, one number is x, other number is 5x, because it is written that a positive number is 5 times the another number. And if 21 is added to both the numbers, that means if we add 21 to the first, then it will become x plus 21, and another will become 5x plus 21. Then what happens if we add 21? Then the one of the new number becomes twice the other number. Then what happens when we add? Then one number will be twice the other number. So how to do this? If we see, okay. So the question is that one number is the 5 times the other number. So we'll take first number as x. The other number will be 5x. Clear? Now if we add 21 to both the numbers, it will become x plus 21, and this will become 5x plus 21. It is given in the question on adding 21 to both. Now after adding the 21 to both, what happens? One number will become twice the other. So out of these two numbers, which is a bigger number? Obviously this 5x plus 21 will be the bigger number because this is x plus 21 and this is 5x plus 21. So that means this number will be twice of this number. So that's why I'm writing this number on this side equals to twice of this number. Twice of this number, that means you cannot simply say that 2 into x. That means this has to put in a bracket as it contains two terms. So this number will be twice of the other number. So 5x plus 21, now you get the equation. You can solve it very easily. 5x plus 21, this will be multiplied by both. So 2x plus 42. 2x will go to that side, 5x minus 2x. This side 42 minus 21. So that means 3x equals to 21. On solving this, x equals to 21 by 3, x equals to 7. So hence the number equals to x equals to 7 and other number will be 5x. That means 5 into 7, 35. Clear? This is an easy question. Now the next question, question number 3. We'll do the last question of this today's video. That is the question number 3. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. This is very interesting question and very important question. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. I know that when I'm reading, you are not getting anything, but when we'll solve, you will get. Okay. You don't panic. Okay. What is the 2-digit number? So how we'll do this question? Okay. So if you see, the solution is here, but if you see that, suppose, okay, they are saying that the 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is how? Suppose if I'll write 2-digit number like this, 45. This is the 2-digit number. Question is that 2-digit number. So I'm write 45. This is at which place? This is at 1's place and this is at 10's place. Clear? And the sum of the digit is what? 9. They are saying this thing. Suppose I have taken 45. Clear? So question is that there are 2-digit number, like sum of the 2-digit number is 9. Okay, same like this. And what after interchanging the digits means, if this will becomes 10's place and this will becomes 1's place, that means after that interchanging, 45 will become what? 54. 45 will become 54. So they are saying that the new number obtained, this new number obtained is 27 more than this. But if you see here, that means how much this more? 45 and this is 51. That means this is 9 more than this. So that means this will not be the answer. This is just the random I am picking. Okay. So which number I have to choose? Suppose I will take 36. So if I will do the reversing of this, it will become 63. And if you see that 63 is 27 more than 36. Yes, this is the answer. 36 is the number. If I will do the interchange of that 63 is what? 27 more than 36. But how to solve this? We'll see. So what we'll do, we'll say that let the digit at 1's place be x. Okay, let the digit at 1's place be x. So digit is like in this form, one like this. So this place I am taking as x. Clear? So next is that digit at the 10's place is 9 minus x, because this is the 9 minus x, because sum of these two is 9. So if this is x, this will be 9 minus x. Therefore the original number, now original number is what? 10 into 9 minus x, because suppose any number I will take, suppose I will take 45. So how will write generally 45? We'll write 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1, because 10's place is always multiplied by 10 and 1's place is always multiplied by 1. So same thing I am doing the multiplication of the 10's place 9 minus x by 10 and 1's place digit by 1. Clear? Hope you understood this. So now when I am multiplying by 10, what will happen? 9 minus x, on solving this, 90 minus 10x. 90 minus 10x, and this will be 1 into x. Clear? Now on solving this, 90 minus 10x plus, this will become minus 9x. Now on interchanging the digits, now we are interchanging the digits. That means what happened? This will becomes 1's place and this will become 10's place. This will becomes 1's place and this will become 10's place. Now what we'll do? Now 10 will be multiplied, because this is 1's place. That means this will be multiplied by 1. And this will be the 10's place. That means this will multiply by the 10. So on multiplying this, that means 10x. This will be 9 minus x. On solving this, we will get 10x and this will be 9x plus 9. So this is the new original number. This is the new number. Clear? But according to the question, the new number obtained is what? Original number plus 27. Because the new number obtained is original number plus 27. So new number is 9x plus 9. So I have written here. And this is the original number 90 minus x. So 90 minus x plus 27. Now on solving this, So this 9x will come to this side. So 9x plus 9x on this side. This 9 will go to that side with the minus sign. So this will become 18x. This is 117 minus 9. On solving this, 108. So 18x equals to 108. Now x equals to 108 by 18, that is 6. So x is 6 and x is what? Tens place digit. And ones place digit. And tens place digit is 9 minus 6. So 3. So what is the original number? Tens place has to be multiplied by 10 and ones place has to be multiplied by 1. So 30 plus 6, 36. So we got the answer 36. As I have told you now in the very beginning, 36 is the number. When you interchange 63, it is 27 more than the original number. Clear? So we're going to end our video today here up to question number 3 only. So in the next video, we're going to start from question number 4. Till then, take care, okay, and complete your work in the weekend.